Hey, hello guys. Welcome to my new video. And today we are going to solve Java BitSet problem. Oh, yeah. So let's start it. So here they mention that in Java there is a BitSet class implements a vector of bit values that is false or true, that is 0 or 1, that grows as needed. Okay. So allowing us to easily manipulate bits while optimizing space when compared to other collection. Any element having a bit value 1 is called a set bit. Okay. Even two bits b1 and b2. Okay. So here they mentioned that there is a bit set class in Java and we have to utilize it in this particular problem. So I guess what the problem statement is that they will give us two bit sets b1 and b2 of a particular size n, and where all the bits both the sets are initialized to 0. So initially all the bits for both the bit sets are initially 0 and perform a series of m operations. So there will be m operations, and after each operation print the number of set bit in the respective. Okay, so they will give us a particular set of operation that we have to run on these two bits. So here they are. It is and, or, XOR, flip, and set. Okay, and also they also provide the the format of input. After and they will provide two inputs, uh, and yeah, here they mention the first input will be set and second input will be set. That means it should be if suppose it is 1, then it will be b1, and if it is 2, then it will be b2. Similarly, for the flip and set operation, they provide set and set name supposed to say, and the index where we have to flip. So here they will provide the name of set. Suppose it is 2, then we have to perform activity on b2. Similarly, if it is b1, then we have to perform activity on b1, and here index will be the particular index for that bit set. So suppose index is 2 for b1, so it will be the second index for uh, b1 bit set. So let's first try to understood what are bit set, and what are the function that we are going to use in this video or in this problem. So here this is the syntax to initialize bit set of object or element, whatever you like to say that. So this is how we are going to initialize b1 or uh, object of b1 like this. And here in the length section we need to give the length that they want it to be. Suppose here they mentioned that both the bit set must be of length n, then we here we are going to uh, give us n as a parameter. Similarly, we created two bit set, and these are the operations that we are going to perform. So okay, so here also they mention one thing. Yeah, uh, in the set could be 1 or 2, and if it is 1 then b1 and it is 2 to b2. And if we perform some action as and 2 1, so 2 1 will be 2, b2 is the left operand, right, and 1 is a b2. So whatever the and value of b2 and b1 will be stored into b2, right? So to implement this, we have to use this function b1 dot b2. It simply did this. It and b1 and b2, and then store the value in b1. Similarly, uh, for b2 also, if we want to store all the and value of b1 and b2 into b2, then we have to use this b2 dot and in parameter b1. And these are the other operation, that is or, XOR, flip, and set. Here we have to specify first which uh, bit set we want to update, and here then in the flip we have to provide index. So in flip operation they just flip the bits. Suppose it is 1, then it will flip to 0, and if it is 0, then it will flip to 1. And similarly in set, if it is 0, then it will set that particular index or particular bit for that bit set. Similarly, this b1 dot cardinality, it will give us the total number of set bit in the bit set, right? So if there are 3 bit which is true in a bit set, then it will return us 3 as a value. So let's try to code this. First of all, let me get it. Okay, so first of all, let's define scanner system.in. Okay, and now we will take two argument and sc.next int, which will be the size of the bit set, and m, which will be the number of operations, right? And here also we also need to create bit sets b1 and b2, new bit set, and here we need to provide the length that I already told you that we are going to create n size bit set. Similarly, this, okay, it is b2. Now okay, we need to loop through all the operation. If there are 5 operations, then we will loop through 5 times, and each operation we need to take first argument as a operation. So let's define a string op is equal to sc, sorry, sc dot next. It will took that string in op, and also we will in took input 1 as a sc dot next int, and input 2 as a sc dot next int. So this is basically telling that input 1 and input 2 will be this. If it is set, then it will 1, or if it is index, then whatever the index they provided here. Here so for each operation we are going to check if equals to, and okay, let me check. Okay, all are in capital, so and if it is and, then we have to run this code. Similarly, uh, I guess else 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 and for or, and for XOR, and for FLIP flip, and for set. So for and, what we are going to do here is we just going to simply okay, first we have to check if the input is 1 or 2, right? So if input is 1, then we are going to do the b1 dot and in bracket b2, and if it is 2, then we are going to flip both bit sets. So then else and do this. So here we are going to use b1 dot and b2. Similarly, we here also we are going to use b2 dot and b1. Okay. Now here on besides and, we here use or. Okay, and here also we will going to use XOR, and here is also XOR. Now there will be a change here. Yeah, I guess we just leave flip, and here, here also. Okay. Okay. Okay, right. So here we need to provide the index here, right? So index will be present in input 2, right? So in place of b2 we have to provide here input 2 ipt2. Similarly here also we'll need to provide input 2, need to provide input 2, and similarly in the set we just need to change the flip value to set, and yeah, all done. And at last, after the operation we need to print their current total bit set in both the current total set bits in both the bit set, right? So system dot out dot println, and here as you know, we need to use cardinality function here, and similarly b2 dot cardinality, right? Okay. Okay, all done. Let's try to run this code. Okay, all the test cases ran successfully. Let's try to submit this code. Yeah, all the test cases got ran successfully, and this is how we solve a Java bitset problem on HackerRank. Hope you like this video. I will meet you guys in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.